issues, but also when you suddenly have to pump water distances through neighborhoods where nobody lives anymore just to reach 2 customers at the end of that pipeline. How do you start managing a system that was built for how many ever million people and suddenly is only serving 100,000 or whatever it is?
I mean, this is the big question. It's a question of equity as well as it's a question of efficiency. And that's the part that I think is maybe the freshest in terms of debate. When we first started on the analysis of the Great Lakes watershed, which wasn't that long ago, 4 years ago now, we started visiting the engineers that were charged with modeling the wastewater system in Detroit. Naively expecting to go to the office and they were going to kind of show us how it worked and we would understand and we'd be able to produce visualizations to help link how what was happening underground related or didn't relate to what was happening above ground. And of course they tell us that they don't know either, that the system, because it's in parts and pieces and it's been constructed over so many years and so on and so forth, that on dry weather days, you can more or less understand how it works, but the moment it rains, who knows? So they were still sort of dealing with that level of complexity. And so when you track that back to if it's vacant or not vacant, and how do you then manipulate that system, it's an incredibly complex question, just literally how it works. But then it's added on to this is really vast